Today, we're going to take your weight loss journey to a next level. A recent study found that combining the Mediterranean diet and intermittent fasting is an effective way to lose weight. The participants who followed this diet lost an average of 10 pounds over 12 weeks. There is a lot more evidence to suggest that this combination can help you reach your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in fitness and weight loss transformation. So, let's talk about it, the new Mediterranean style of fasting. It's a powerful combo of Mediterranean diet and intermittent fasting. The Mediterranean diet, acclaimed for centuries, is all about freshness and balance. It emphasizes fruits, veggies, whole grains, olive oil, and lean proteins. Fish, poultry, beans, and eggs form the protein base, with red meat kept to a minimum. Then we have intermittent fasting, a timed approach to eating. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. There are various methods, like the 16/8 method, the 5-2 diet, and the eat-stop-eat method. But what if we could turbocharge this concept? That's right, we've crafted a hybrid plan, combining the nutrient richness of the Mediterranean diet with the metabolic boost of intermittent fasting. Before we proceed any further, do let us know if you have any weight loss challenges. So, how does Mediterranean-style fasting work? You'll follow a 5-2 schedule. Yes, 5 days of regular Mediterranean eating and 2 days of reduced calorie fasting. Here's how your fasting days would look like. On fasting days, limit yourself to 500 to 600 calories. Think Greek salads, hummus with vegetable sticks, and grilled fish. Preferably, keep your fasting window between 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. to align with your body's circadian rhythm. When breaking your fast, opt for nutrient-dense lunches such as Greek salad, a fiber-rich, protein-packed meal that gives your body the energy it needs at around just 400 calories. For dinner, choose a delectable grilled salmon paired with Mediterranean quinoa, a combination rich in omega-3 fatty acids and plant-based proteins that support weight loss. Okay, what to eat in the non-fasting days? On non-fasting days, your diet should be high in fiber and low in saturated fats. For breakfast, you might have Greek yogurt with fruits and nuts. It's a medley of probiotics, healthy fats, and natural sugars, all within a 300-calorie limit. Lunch could be a highly nutritious and delicious salmon salad, while dinner might be a hearty vegetable stew with a side of whole grain bread. You could also try grilled chicken in lunch or dinner. Use your creativity to mix and match the meals as per your liking. So, what happens after 30 days of Mediterranean-style fasting? Over 30 days, you'll find an interesting shift in yourself. Weight loss, improved metabolism, better sleep, and increased energy levels. Now that's some serious change, isn't it? Subscribe to Shape Squad to keep up to date with innovative ways to stay super fit. Let us know in the comments how you feel about this new Mediterranean style of fasting. Let's see who has the most exciting experience to share. There is something really special for you in our next video. See you!